back. She's just sleeping. I'm gonna wake her up with this chocolate Hershey, and I'm gonna put it in her nose. So let's see if she wakes up or not.
Shopping with me. What happened? Everything was going along fine, no problem. Then we hit the cookie aisle. Problem. You know, when the kids start grabbing every cookie inside, I tell them no. They start screaming like banshees and all.
She ate it.
Like I'm
Now we're gonna start modeling. I'm gonna be the first one modeling. Do with that, come on, you're telling my dad to do that.
I told you guys to finish those cookies in the yard. If you pull a strut like this, you're gonna share a box.
Yeah, right.
The twins. Hey Jess, did you get my vanilla weasels? Oh no, sorry, Joey.
Subscribe.
They don't make them anymore.
What?
Yeah, but look at this. I got you, how do you say this? Chocolate badgers instead. Instead? Jess, there is no instead. Vanilla weasels are more than just a cookie. They're a lifetime of memories for me. You know, when I was a kid, my mom would tuck me in bed, give me a weasel, and sing me the score to self.
Subscribe and have a nice day. And I need a Bahu lights. And tell me which one do you like. Thank you, bye.